didn't know you started work again.
Pardon me? Sorry, go ahead. Wait, oh, that's good. That's okay, good. Find a place to circle again. And then we're going to, this is beautiful. And then do a 10-meter circle. Now, haunches in is great because you can do it right out of a 10-meter circle. So do a 10-meter circle, that's good? Okay, right there, 10 meters. There you go. And instead of letting the haunches go all the way to the rail, put your outside leg on, so now put the outside leg on. It's the inside. There.
Pretty!
Good. Got it. Bend it right.
Good haunches. It's good haunches, huh?
Sit and swing. Good
Haunches
job.
are excuse me.
Nice. All right, change the rein.
Hey, sure, I'm in the car. Okay.
You feel it touching your chest. You know. There. Chin, right there. See, let it go. Ah, super. Now left, right. A little tight here. Let it go. Send them out. Send them out. Good. And circle 10 meters when you're ready. Good. Turkey good. Bend. Right. Left leg on. Left leg bend. Good. Sorry, that's all. Good. And then turn. Now this way you keep turning like you're going to do a diagonal. Make a shoulder in. Very good. Outside seating bone, left leg. Outside seating bone, little more angle. A little more inside leg. Good job. Okay, circle it. F. 10 meters. Good, I love how you keep swinging your seat. Most people lock their seats up. You're not, which is great. Circle. Good. Circle. Good job. Outside hand down. Good. All right, now let's all circle. Try it again. Like there's a line and you're pushing around the ring. Yeah. Oh, super. Now, inside leg here, outside leg back, and haunches now. Inside leg on just a little bit.
We do that at horse shows, I'm not even kidding.
Inside leg.
Like day shows, we do that.
Inside leg, outside leg, sequence. Good. And straight. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do down the center line. With your hands together, we're going to do the leg heel thing where you go straight and then sideways. Hands together. Here with your body. Okay. Leg and now forward with the hips. Hips there. Inside leg. Happen. Right C-frame. Inside leg. Hands together. Good. Chin. And now a little more hind leg with the left leg and soften your right hand. Yeah. Super. Now go forward. Very nice. Go ahead.
Whew, you're so whatever.
Put your leg on and keep your feet going. That's a huge action.
He's like,
Bring the nose to the rail. Right leg to the rail. Now left leg back. Left leg back. Left leg more back. More back. Come on. More back.
Funny, funny.
Good. Yeah. Super. Good boy. And then go. Good.
There's because I was up on my knees way too much. God, so
Circle, circle. Go. A little more angle. Hand down. Up and hand down. Go. Jump. Good boy. Good. Come. Keep your weight in the middle. There you go. No falling. Good. Good boy. Okay, bend his nose to the rail. There. Outside hand down. Outside leg way back. No, keep that leg on. Keep the left leg on a little. Yeah, so left leg your bending leg. The right leg. There you go. Okay, walk for that.
Yeah,
Okay.
let me think about
Beautiful trot. Beautiful trot. Okay, turn. Concave, dip, and then outside leg. Yeah, around the way. go at the end. Yeah, there's your cut. Good. Okay, go down the line. So you're going to be a little. Okay, sit left. Raise the direction. A little bit left. Top up around the front. And the down line. Good. You got to get the
Ooh, look.
front legs first, okay?
You've gotten a lot darker. Let me see the what. You way to have a Barbie ponytail in the middle of the camera.
There you go. If you feel like the haunches are trailing too much, you just close the outside hand. Good. Go a little more forward. You got it.
Get to the back of them, see if it works. Fail.
Good job. Okay, so come here. Turn around the inside leg.
Back of my legs,
Outside
look at
leg
that
down. Now close it there. Yes, make it. You got it.
Oh!
Go forward. Good. Yes, like that.
Sunburn, you.
Awesome.
No, 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 no.
That was really
Hurt
good.
really bad.
There, look at that trot. Feel that cadence? Oh, go with your seat. Right into your hand. Allow it to go. Super. And then a little uphill. Yeah. Okay, around.
Sunburn.
And outside leg back. Way back to the outside leg. No, outside leg back. Outside leg here. Okay, so that's a little harder for him, okay? So, what you need to do this way. So when you get that way, you fall. And then go side. Try that again. So cross, leg heel away from the right leg, okay? So you're going to leg heel towards the opposite leg. So keep it this way. The right leg on and moving back. There, now to the top. Now forward, straight forward. Now bend again. Straight, there, and then forward a little bit with the right leg. Okay, all right.
Doing
Good job.
Good for softball.
Good boy.
You can't tell you yet.
This way is much easier. You just put the leg down and around him, and then go. Down and around, and then go. Yeah, forward a little bit, and then down and around. A little more right leg, a little more right leg. There you go. Super. Really good.
Oh, yeah.
She's abusing me. Ah, super. Now right leg. Good job. Keep the bandage. Go the other way again.
Stop.
Good.
Leg up fast enough and high enough.
There you go. Good. Very good. You're going to love this tape when you see it.